Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson means unit 12, they have cut down the pines. I will explain the grammar portion, conditional sentences. So let's start students. Before starting the exercise of conditional sentences, first I will explain about conditional sentences, that what is this? Conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, conditional clauses or if clause. We know very well about the clauses, that clause is the part of sentence which is having its own subject and predicate. Conditional clause or if clause, they are used to express that the action in the main clause without if. We know that main clause without if or whether can only take place if a certain condition in the clause with if is fulfilled. यानी कि मेन क्लॉज में जो एक्शन है वो तभी हो सकता है जब इफ़ क्लॉज की कुछ सर्टन कंडीशंस जो होती हैं वो फुलफिल हों, यानी कि वो मुकम्मल हों. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस, बट इन दिस लेसन I will explain just 2 types: conditional sentences type 1 and conditional sentences type 2. It is possible and also, this is first one, it is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. It is possible. It is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. Fulfilled मुकम्मल होना. Form if plus simple present. Students, this is the structure: if plus simple present in if clause and will plus future in main clause. For example, if I find her address, I will send her an invitation. Students, note the structure. In if clause we use simple present tense, while in main clause we will use auxiliary will with future tense. So come to conditional sentence type 2. It is possible but very unlikely. The difference is it is possible and also very likely, but in this case very unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. Structure is that form if plus simple past plus conditional with the use of would or infinitive. For example, if I found her address, I would send her an invitation. Come to exercise. First conditional. The first conditional is a structure used for talking about possibilities, यानी कि जो काम मुमकिन हो in the present or in the future. उस काम के बारे में जो काम मुमकिन हो in the present or in the future. The first conditional is a structure used for talking about possibilities, mumkinat, in the present or in the future. So the structure will be if clause plus subject plus verb in the present tense, and in main clause subject plus will plus verb. If the weather is nice, we will go swimming. So it shows the possibilities. If you study hard, you will pass the test. It also shows possibilities of the actions. Second conditional. The second conditional expresses unreal situation in the present or future. A second conditional sentence consists of 2 clauses: an if clause and a main clause. So if clause plus subject plus verb and in the past simple tense. Main clause subject plus would plus verb. If I had £1,000,000, I would buy a big yacht. Students, the difference between first conditional and the second conditional will be in structure, that in if clause of first conditional we use present tense, while in if clause of second conditional we use past simple. Just like in main clause of first conditional we use auxiliary will, while in main clause of second conditional we use auxiliary would. And this is used for talking about possibilities, while in second conditional, the second conditional expresses unreal situation in the present or future. Come to exercise. Exercise A. Complete the conditional sentences type 1. Complete the conditional sentences. Type 1. If you wash the dishes, I will cook dinner tonight. If my dad has time next week, we will paint my room. You will learn a lot about American history if you visit the exhibition. If the weather is not too bad tomorrow, we will play golf. We will not get there in time if we do not catch the bus. Complete the conditional sentence. Type 2. If I had more time, I would learn to play the guitar. This is conditional sentence type 2 in which we use auxiliary would, modal auxiliary would, and in if we use past tense. If she studied harder, she would get better marks. If we knew more about history, we would not afraid of the test. I would go for jogging with Tahir and Suhail. If they were here last week, it would surprise me if she did not help you. Finish the sentences with a clause in the correct conditional. If it is sunny tomorrow, we will go to the beach. If you sit in the sun too long, it will affect your skin. Students, you will write these clauses with your if clause in your book, on your book. If I were you, I would help him. If I were the Prime Minister, I would increase the salary of government servants. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the test. If I won the lottery, I would go to USA. If I had not gone to bed so late, I would not have missed the Fajr prayer. If I hadn't come to London, I would have gone to KSA for Umrah. Or I would have missed the New Year night celebrations. Students, about exercise C, you have also write the clauses in your own words in activity copy, but in your book here you may write these clauses. Do practice of book exercise, do practice of conditional sentences of unit 12.